Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can post GIFs on your Instagram feed using CapCut. Alright, so for this you need two apps. One is CapCut, one is GIFs. It's basically an app which lets you download GIFs. Alright, so first step, you want to go to GIFs, and over here you want to choose which GIF you want. Alright, so from over here you can select any one you want. So I'm gonna select the one with where it says this little player shouting, so I'm gonna click on it, and at the top right corner you can see the little three dot. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see where it says convert to live photo. You want to click on convert to live photo. Alright, once you do that, you can choose any option from over here, full screen or fit to screen. I'm just gonna choose full screen and click on allow access to all photo. Now once it's downloaded over here, wait for some time like that. It says live photo saved. You can close the app now. Now what you want to do is go on CapCut, click on new project, or you can continue on the current project you have. Select the video you want and click on add at the bottom right corner. Once the video is added over here, what you want to do is click on the plus sign, and over here you want to go on live photo, and on live photo you can see your little GIF, right? You can click on your GIF, click on add, and over here you can choose wherever you want to add this GIF on the timeline. So let's say, alright, I want the GIF over here at the beginning, but if I want to change it, I can just hold on it and choose wherever I want to place it. Alright, it's my choice, but after I put it at the place, the video is gonna look like this. At first the GIF is gonna play, and then my video is gonna play. So I'm okay with it, but if you're not, you can edit it in any way you want. Right at the top right corner you can see the little arrow pointing at top. Click on it and it's gonna export your video. After you export your video, you can upload it on your Instagram feed. So it's exported, and you can see the little option saying Instagram. Click on Instagram, click on open, click and continue, and as you guys can see, this is the video. Now I can choose story or feed. So I'm gonna choose feed. I'm gonna click on next, I'm gonna click on OK, I'm gonna click on next, and I'm gonna click on share. Once I click on share, this video will be uploaded on Instagram, but I don't want to upload it right now, so I'm just not gonna do that. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can post GIFs on Instagram feed using CapCut. Don't forget to hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.